Lipstick Switchblade. Twist. Push. Flip. Click.
The beautician looks absolutely fabulous as she buries her co-worker in a shallow grave. Things turned ugly in the cosmetics aisles.
Try this lipstick on, bitch.
They couldn't make up. The desert sun is the only witness to her digging.
All done.
She catwalks for the car, then stops. The sun has tripled in size. It stares at her. Mascara sticks, lipstick bleeds, foundation cracks, concealer reveals a pimple. Tormented by thirst, she zigzags toward a mirage. Just one drink. She can lap it up like a dog. At the water's edge, a heel catches in a bug hole. Into the illusion she falls, splash, and vanishes. So does the mirage, for she is no longer there to see it. No grave is shallower than a mirage. It is without depth, but is deep.
The end.